looks nice behind you.
Hello everybody, this is Ian Truelove with Jean Truelove Quilts for You. Really enjoying receiving you lovely people's sewing room photographs and descriptions. Keep them coming. Truelovequiltsforyou at gmail.com. Right now we're going to be looking at photographs and listening to descriptions from Laura Bear, who has sent us some wonderful descriptions of how she and her husband have put together their sewing room. And she describes herself as tall and having a husband behind her who's very handy and willing to create alongside her. So what does she say? Up we go to my 3rd floor sewing haven. I found this cute little chair on clearance at Home Goods, so I set it up for looking through my patterns. And the railing is a very handy spot to hang quilts so they don't get wrinkled while I'm working on them. Then into my sewing room, which has been years in the making. Deciding that after COVID we really didn't need 2 guest rooms, I took one over, repainted and wallpapered, and moved the sewing command center from the tiny laundry room up to my very own space. I have a 3x5 cutting table supported by 2 IKEA 4-drawer dressers. I'm 5'11", so I really need the height. We got an old tabletop for $20 that my husband cut down and put some molding under it so it wouldn't slide around. I also added a little tension rod in between the dressers to keep blocks in progress draped over. It really comes in handy. For my sewing machine table, I had the hubs, is a really good sport, paint our old kitchen table, and we set that up for my machine. Has a lot of good memories, that table. So I have a nice cozy corner with my sewing machine and ironing board under a perfect little nest. Next I'm showing you a picture of my stash. I know it can barely be called a stash compared to what most quilters have, but I'm kind of a minimalist. Oh, one new addition to the sewing room today with a rechargeable vacuum that my daughter gave me. When a vacuum is easily accessible, my sewing room is always neat. There you have it, my bright, sunny, happy sewing spot. Very impressive, Laura.
Very.
Thank you for that. And the photographs really do tell a story along with your descriptions here.
I like the fact that her husband has customized the sewing table. So many people say, what height should you have a sewing table, or or a cutting table?
Yes.
And it really does depend on your height. That would be too high for me, really. I'd be cutting up around my neck when because I'm short, but she's tall. So yeah, it's awesome.
It really is. Keep them coming, dear friends. This is so interesting for me because having designed and constructed, along with my Jean, several sewing rooms in 3 different homes or more, to see what you dear ones out there create together, either on your own if you're single or with your cooperative mate, is really very enjoyable. Keep them coming and send them to JeanTrueloveQuiltsForYou at gmail.com.
No. Truelovequiltsforyou at gmail. Why can't you get that right?
I don't know. I need a script.
It's not.
I've got no prompter screen.
It's not. Oh, those
but
are.
I've got a great director in the background. So what is it again?
Truelovequiltsforyou at gmail.com. Maxwell, come say hello. I'm not bleeding. You're not bleeding. Come say hello. Is there a stool there?
Yes, there's a
Come
store
say
here.
hello, Maxwell.
Come say hello.
It's
Yes,
been
yes,
the
yes.
first time in forever.
It's the first time in forever. You just put your face in the last video. Come on, sit down.
Hi.
Hey, Maxwell, babe.
Hi. What's up?
Did you finish the dishes?
Take a guess.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for helping me today
Yeah, they were
as
busy.
well, Maxwell. Boy, we've accomplished a lot already. And the day's not over yet. Just 3:30 on the clock.
Yeah,
Yep, and we have a few clocks around, so
we do have clocks around.
we make the time count. Oh, we
Yeah.
count the time.
Yes.
We've had some bad storms, and so the first thing this morning,
Yes.
yeah, we had some water in our garage. So
Yep.
Ian was up early. Yeah,
And then I got some help.
and then, yeah, that was good. Thank you, Maxwell. All right, everybody.
Yep.
Have a good one.
See you again soon.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.